When you hear the name Tom Holland, the first thing that comes to mind is Spider-Man. Tom Holland has amassed a net worth more than $50 million at a very young age. So where does all his massive net worth come from? You are about to find out. Tom Holland says that his life took a sudden twist after he was offered to be casted in the MCU. Tom Holland made millions of dollars from his role as Spider-Man. He also worked in many lead roles in movies and dramas and made tons of money from the film industry. But how does the young Marvel superstar spend his massive net worth? And what expensive purchases has Tom Holland made during the past few years? Let's find out. Did you know Tom Holland has an impressive collection of expensive bikes? Apart from bikes, he has many other exquisite luxuries people crave to have, which we are about to show you later in today's video. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to talk about the millionaire lifestyle of Tom Holland. So make sure to watch this video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Tom Holland is a person who is into luxuries. His lifestyle is discussed all the time. People are very much influenced by him and want to live a life like his, as Tom is an influential youth icon. Tom is an English actor, and his journey to becoming a worldwide superstar began from working in theater. Tom Holland has worked in many blockbuster movies until now, and he has also been awarded the BAFTA Rising Star Award. Tom Holland's luxury collection is worth millions of dollars. He owns a house and apartment in London. Since he is a famous actor of Marvel Cinema, and Marvel Cinema is located in the United States, Tom bought a house worth $1 million in the United States. In 2019, he officially announced on Twitter that he was buying a bike. Tom owns a collection of cars and bikes worth more than $5 million. Some of his best highlights of his career are The Impossible, Spider-Man Homecoming, and Avengers Endgame. And of course, we cannot forget to mention Tom's upcoming film in 2021, Spider-Man: No Way Home. According to reports, Tom Holland was a big fan of Spider-Man long before being casted as the web slinger. I reckon I had 30 Spider-Man costumes over the years since I was a little baby. I had Spider-Man bedsheets. 2 years ago, I went to a fancy dress party dressed as Spider-Man and looked like an absolute idiot, Tom stated. So, Tom Holland has successfully established himself as a top movie star. But what crazy luxuries makes his life super amazing? Don't worry, because we have all of the latest updates, so make sure you stay with us to the end of the video so you don't miss any. If you are a Tom Holland fan, then you definitely know that Tom Holland is a dog lover. He owns an expensive dog breed worth more than $2,000 that he named Tessa. Tom posts pictures and videos with his dog daily on Instagram, and he loves to take her to many high-profile events. Tom Holland is a style icon. Even though he has many expensive clothing items, he has still been spotted many times wearing Nike trousers and shirts. In 2019, his formal casual maroon suit turned quite a lot of heads at the LA premiere of Spider-Man: Far From Home. Another one of his suits that he wore at the Late Night with Seth Meyers was declared a must-have for every man by Esquire magazine. Although it is hard to determine the exact cost of all the amazing clothing items owned by Tom, we are pretty sure that they are somewhere between $50,000 to $100,000. Tom also owns a massive collection of watches, and the best in his collection is a Patek Philippe, which is worth $36,000. This stylish watch has many amazing features. In addition to expensive watches, Tom owns two super amazing cars, an Audi RS7 worth $114,000 and an Audi R8 V10 Spider worth $200,000. Tom Holland says that his life changed ever since he first was casted as Spider-Man. 2 years ago today, I was cast as Spider-Man, and my life was flipped upside down. What a ride it has been, and what amazing fans I have, Tom Holland tweeted previously. With many expensive luxuries, Tom Holland also has a kind and generous side with a heart of gold, because until now, Tom and his family have contributed to many charities. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Tom Holland? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.